Hindi na matutuloy ang pamaskong laban na inaabangan ng worldwide boxing fans ngayong December 24 sa Tokyo, Japan matapos maudlot ang dapat sana'y undisputed title defense ni pound-for-pound star at Japanese monster na Naoya Inoue katapat ang mandatory challenger na si Sam Goodman ng Australia. Ito'y matapos magkaroon ng isang injury ni Goodman sa ibabaw ng kanyang kaliwang mata na kanyang natamo sa sparring session ilang linggo bago ang mismong laban kay Inoue. Dahil dito, opisyal nang nireschedule ang nasabing laban ng dalawa na magaganap sa darating na January 24 ng susunod na taon. Sa Instagram post ni Goodman, ibinahagi nito ang mga nangyari kung papaano niya natamo ang nasabing injury bago ang laban.
Just wanted to let everyone know what sort of happened this morning. I was due for me I was having my last spar before we flew out to Tokyo, and by freak accident, just got a freak accident and got cut, and resulting in 4 stitches. And if I had it my way, I'd like to proceed with the fight, but taking on a guy like this, my team, I wouldn't have the same team in my corner. Let me go into this fight compromised. And
sa Instagram video post ni Goodman, inilabas nito ang kanyang pagkalungkot sa nangyari, na kung saan humingi rin ito ng paumanhin sa lahat ng mga taga-suporta at naghihintay ng kanilang laban Inoue.
Absolutely devastated to be doing this, but it's just it is what it is. Just wanted to say sorry to everyone who was coming over. I know how hard it was to to make that decision and to come over and support me, especially this time of year. And sorry to everyone over in Japan who was also excited for this fight.
Maliban pa rito, humingi rin ito ng paumanhin sa kampo ni Inoue, bagay na hindi niya rin umano kagustuhang mangyari dahil matagal na niya itong pangarap na may sakatuparang mapa sa kamay ang World Championship title.
To Inoue and his team as well, I know they would have been preparing hard for a good fight, and look, I just don't want my opportunity to go anywhere. I want to fight this guy, and it's been a 14-week camp, but this has been the last 15 years of my life and everything I've ever done for to get into this position and to take this guy on. So I just want the chance to have a crack against him for all those belts and to get it on. So hopefully we can get on sooner rather than later once his cut heals up and make this fight happen.
Sa ngayon may isang buwan pang palugid upang magpahinga at tuluyang makarecover si Goodman upang ituloy ang naudlot na laban nila ng undisputed World Super Bantamweight Champion na si Inoue. Paulo Salamatin para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.